Hello, in this C programming tutorial, I am gonna show you how to use the register keyword. So the register keyword in C, basically, suggests to the system. It doesn't, force the system to do this. It just suggests to use the register, for the location to store a variable instead of RAM. So register is located on the CPU. It's like the fastest type of memory in your computer, and instead of using RAM, which again still fast but obviously not as fast, so this can improve the access for reading and writing, and improve the performance. But using the register keyword does not guarantee that it's going to be put into the register. It's just a hint to the compiler to say put this into register, and then it will determine if it wants to or not. The reason you might want to do this, if you're this is good for small variables. If you're using a variable over and over and over again a lot of times, instead of going into memory and then being copied into the CPU back and forth, you just store it in the register. But you got to know what you're doing with this. But I'll just show you the use case, how to use it. So if I have a variable int, call in num1, I'll call it age actually. Age equals 30, which is what I am right now. Very interesting. I say I'm 30 years old, but I'm basically going to be 31 in December. So, do we round it up? I always find that an interesting conversation. But okay, moving on. Let's print this out. And I'm just going to say my age is, and I'll say 2%, and I'll put age. And if I run that, it'll print out my age is 30. Pretty simple stuff. But if I put the register keyword, and I'll give that a run now, we get the same result. But that's it. That's literally all I want. Sorry about that. That's literally all I wanted to show you, is that if you put the keyword register before a variable, you can tell the compiler as a hint to store it in the register portion of the memory which is on your CPU. So again, only use it for small variables. Use it for stuff that you do use a lot. In this case, I'm not using it a lot, but imagine if this was a variable, some sort of, maybe I'm using age everywhere in this function. That's the other thing, is it's bound to this function as well, so it does have limited scope. You can create pointers of variables that have used the register keyword. You can't get the address of memory address for it, so just bear that in mind. So if that's an important part, then don't use it. So that's the register keyword in C. If you have any questions, feel free to pop a message in the comments. All the source code will be in the description via a GitHub link. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as usual, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.